Right there should be a bolt. Jack it up and put your jack stand right there. And the first step is, do not take that bolt out if you're shocky. You're going to take that out. I recommend having a gun sorted. This only cost me $100. 18mm right there. The top one is a 15. So I'm going to go ahead and put some WD-40 on it, which I already have. And I'll give it a crack. Oh, that did not work. She is tight. So we're going to use a cheat bar. Got a breaker bar with my 18. And I've got my jack pole. So I'm just going to stick that on there and use a cheat bar, as they call it. See if we can get her on there. Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright. Now our gun should be able to take that off. Basically, I'm just going to use my gun and pull that off. Once that's off, we'll continue. Alright. That's the bolt that comes out. Don't be shy, just give it a good smack with the gun and she'll come out. After you've broken it, put the breaker bar and cheat bar on it. And we're just going to give it a shot. We've got a 15 on here. And this is a half-inch drive, so let's give it a crack. If it doesn't work, we'll give it a breaker bar, break it off. Okay, this is where we have to use the jack. Okay, now we're jacking the shock up, right where we did the bolt. And once we're doing that, it'll loosen up the bolt. The bolts will be on an angle. Once the shock comes up, the bolt will just come straight out. So yeah, and basically that's the shock out. Undo your jack. It might just come straight down, so be careful. The whole thing will just go kaboof. But everything's connected up there. But shock is now free. Put your new shock in. Goes this way. Down, up. Just twist around, so don't worry. We're going to do the bottom first, and then we're going to jack it up like we did before, underneath the shock sort of thing. And we'll get it in line with that. So you might have to do a bit of a hammering around, tapping, whatnot, to get it to fit right in there. But, I'll jack it up, and so screw it in, jack it up, and then we'll get to this part here. Okay, I've jacked right underneath the shock. Make sure you do that, just like so. Not there, right there. That's gonna push the shock absorber up. And that's pretty. Oh, hope you enjoyed. I'll be making more videos like this, how to deal with some stuff. This car has done a lot of Ks, 300,000 kilometers. It's a family Ghia. Some pretty good nick, not gonna lie. You can't really complain with that, can you? It's got the XR6 body kit from factory. And you know, the shocks have completely shut himself. So yeah, got the Ghia 6-speed in here. planning on turboing it one day soon, but it's doing the main maintenance stuff. Anyway, I hope I helped. Hope you learned something from that. I try to make it as detailed as possible. I've done shocks before, but they're quite an easy job. Just get yourself a gun. They're pretty easy, pretty cheap. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Catch you then.